Good news today from the State Department of Health as HIV outbreak in southern Indiana has now leveled off. At the peak, they saw about 23 new cases a week. Now that's down to no more than 2. The Dow's Mike Pelton shows us how local agencies will now have a bigger burden when it comes to containing the HIV epidemic.
We're not passing the baton. We're trying to figure out how we can run together.
Changes are coming to the state's response to the HIV outbreak, blamed largely on drug abuse. More responsibility will go to officials in Scott County. That coming from the State Department of Health at a press conference Wednesday morning.
To make it sustainable and so that we can do right by all of our other responsibilities in the state, we need to emphasize that sustainment and local control is an essential element.
In Scott County, the Community Outreach Center will close at the end of the month, with those resources shifting to other facilities as of July 1st, the location still to be determined.
Having a location in Austin specifically for all of these services is essential for a sustainable local community plan that works. This includes mental health and clinical care.
These changes come as officials say the HIV outbreak has plateaued. So far, health officials documented 170 positive tests, 257 negative.
The epi curve has shown that we've dramatically decreased new cases, and we're going to continue to follow that very closely on a weekly basis to make sure that we don't see an increase pop back up again.
The Scott County Needle Exchange program will continue. The State Department of Health also hired 20 extra people at an annual cost of more than $1 million. The big success, officials say 7% of patients are already virally suppressed. Their goal, increase that number to 90%. Reporting downtown, Mike Pelton for the Now Indy.
So let's keep talking about this issue because hookup apps are being blamed for a huge spike in HIV as well as STD cases.
But one company is using cell phones to combat the very problem it created. The app is called HealthVana. If your provider uses it, you can get same-day STD test results. It also makes it easy to share the information with romantic partners without the awkward talk.